Welcome to Product Critique. Today, we're diving into what is arguably the best neck massager ball on the market, the VOYOR Neck Massager Shiatsu Deep Tissue Dual Trigger Point Shoulder Massager, model MS110. This compact and lightweight tool is designed specifically to target neck, shoulder, and leg muscles with deep tissue massage, offering effective pain relief and relaxation. Right out of the box, you'll notice its ergonomic handle design that perfectly fits the curve of your hand. This anti-slip grip makes it easy and comfortable to hold, allowing you to apply the perfect amount of pressure without your hand slipping. The handle is also flexible, meaning it can open and close freely to conform to different body shapes, making it versatile and easy to use on various muscle groups. The heart of the massager is its two soft yet firm silicone massage balls, crafted to mimic the feeling of a professional's hands kneading and pressing on your muscles. These balls are fixed in place, so they don't detach or roll off, which makes storage hassle-free and ensures durability. The balls are made with high-quality ABS plastic screws underneath, adding sturdiness without compromising the gentle yet firm touch needed for effective muscle relief. One of the standout features of this VOYOR massager is the controllable massage intensity. Because the balls don't rotate on their own, you control the strength and pressure manually. Which means you can customize your massage to suit your personal comfort level and target those stubborn tension points exactly. Whether you're looking to gently relieve fatigue or dig into tight knots for deep muscle relaxation, this tool adapts perfectly to your needs. It's incredibly lightweight, weighing only about 310 grams, lighter than an apple, making it highly portable. Whether you're at home, in the office, or traveling, this massager fits easily into your bag so you can enjoy a personal deep tissue massage anytime, anywhere. Its compact size also makes it great for quick sessions when you only have a few minutes to spare. Durability is a key part of the design. The VOYOR neck massager is made from strong, high-quality materials, combining the flexibility and toughness needed to withstand regular use. The handle and massage balls feel solid and reliable, so you can trust it will last through countless massages. Using the massager is straightforward. Simply grip the handles, place the massage balls on your target area, and apply pressure with your hands. The fixed balls provide consistent deep pressure on your muscles, helping to release tension and improve blood circulation. This, in turn, promotes relaxation, reduces muscle soreness, and can even enhance your sleep quality. The VOYOR neck massager is also versatile beyond the neck and shoulders. It works well on legs and other areas where muscle tightness occurs. Its manual design means you can adjust how and where you use it to get the most effective relief possible. In summary, the VOYOR neck massager MS110 combines an ergonomic, flexible handle with soft but firm silicone balls that replicate a deep tissue massage experience. Its manual intensity control allows for personalized pressure, while its lightweight and durable design make it ideal for daily use and portability. If you're looking for a reliable, easy-to-use, and effective tool for muscle pain relief, this massager is a solid choice. Thanks for watching Product Critique. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more honest product reviews and insights. See you next time.